everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 65 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the power of positive thinking. So let's start. Life is really unpredictable. We cannot think what will happen next, what will happen tomorrow. We cannot control the future, neither we can control weather. We cannot control these type of things, but one thing we can control is that thinking, our mindset. We can control our mindset. The way we think, the result will be in front of us. If we think positive, we will get positive result. If we think negative, we will get negative result. This is the principle of life, and I have explained in many videos, in my previous videos also, that there are two types of mind. One is subconscious and another is subconscious. Subconscious mind help us to manifest anything what we want in life. On the other hand, conscious mind work according to that. So we should understand how to use our subconscious mind properly. There is a saying also, your mind is like a garden, and in a garden you can grow, there are seeds, and you can plant flowers also or weeds also. It depends on you what you want to grow. So I will encourage you to grow flowers, because your mind is like a garden and you can grow beautiful flowers by thinking positive in your life. When you will think positive result will come. Whatever the situation is, you are worrying about something, you are having blockage in your career, marriage or anything. If you will think positive thing will happen. This is the universe law. Whatever we ask from universe, we get that. If we continuously think that I am dull, I am not able to do anything in life, I will not able to do anything. And if I will think that yes, this is my life, I can change it, I have to be rigid in my decision. Whatever the situation will come, I will win. Then I will win. So there are many quotes or thoughts like that. That whatever doctor dresses the wound, but God heals it. So we should always remember that there is one Almighty there, who is observing your thoughts, who is observing your mistakes, and who is observing your every single task what you do. So whatever you are doing today, you will get result definitely tomorrow. You have to be patient in your heart, and you have to think positive, because our mind does not take at any joke. If we think negative, that our fate is not good, our luck is not good, God has given me so bad luck. If you think that, you will get that luck, you will fall into that trap. And if you will think positive, you will never fall into that trap. You will enjoy the life. With a person who is positive, he or she enjoys whatever the situation is in their life. You can take example of the saint Premanand Baba, who is now very popular. What does he teaches us? He teaches us to be positive in life. Why we will not able to do anything in life? If we are the God's child, whatever will be our situation in life, we will able to do that. So we should think like that. This is the principle of life. Whatever happens in your life, you have to start again. You have to do it again. Because after every dark night, there is a bright morning. After every sadness, there is a happiness. So we should understand that, and we should enjoy our life each and every moment, because there is one role, and that is the growth of mindset. If your mindset is positive, your life will be positive. And for that, what you have to do, you have to choose good circle, you have to practice gratitude, you have to be positive. That's all for today's video. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. And if any doubt or query, you can comment me in comment box. I will be happy to answer. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.